Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Evil Sword game crashing or not launching, not opening, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first method that I will suggest is to restart your phone. For that, press the volume up plus power button and here you have to select swipe to restart. So after your device restarts, now launch the game and check if the game is properly opening or not. If not, you should check your internet connection is stable or not. Make sure your internet connection is stable or not fluctuating. Well, if you are using Wi-Fi, then you can go to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for the game update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for Evil Sword and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. For that, click on storage option over here, click on clear cache. Once you have done this, now go back and launch the game and check. If you cannot launch the game, you should install a VPN. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for any VPN app and you will get lots of apps available here. Install any one of it and after that log into it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings on your phone. After that, go below, click on system update and here you will find if there is any update available for the phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and click on uninstall. Once you have done this, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Evil Sword game and finally click on the install option. So by this way you can easily resolve Evil Sword game crashing or crashing startup, stuck on loading screen, not working, lagging, freezing, black screen, keep stopping or other issues on Android phone. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.